You've probably been told that if a woman isn't interested, you should either move on or try harder. But here's the harsh truth: women don't miss men because they need them. They miss men because those men create a powerful emotional presence, even in their absence. This video isn't about cheesy tricks or fake pickup lines. It's about female psychology, and how to flip indifference into attraction. By the end, you'll know how to make a woman miss you, even if she wasn't interested at first. Why chasing kills attraction. Chasing feels natural but backfires. Too much availability equals emotional oversupply. Analogy: free food every day, no craving. Stop chasing, let her feel the silence. Silence speaks louder than text. Constant texting devalues your attention, silence builds curiosity and tension. Example: stop texting for 48 hours, she wonders. Keep in mind, attention is currency. Silence raises its value. Stop being too available. Always being there makes you predictable, boring. Independence is attractive, men with priorities create demand. Show you have a life beyond her. Mystery beats honesty. Oversharing kills intrigue, attraction is emotional, not logical. Keep some suspense, force her to wonder. What you don't say makes her think about you. Never compete for her attention. Competing equals weakness. Real men don't chase, they attract, live as the prize. She should be competing for you. Confidence is more addictive than love. Women respond to confidence more than love. Confidence equals decisions, self-respect, walking away if needed. Confidence makes you unforgettable. Make her think she's losing you. People value what they might lose. If you're always guaranteed, she won't miss you. Create space, live your life. Nothing stings more than realizing she lost a man she can't get back. Here's the bottom line: women don't miss the nice guy who's always there. They miss the man who respects himself enough to walk away. So let me ask you, have you ever chased too hard, or used silence and seen her come back? Drop your story in the comments, I'll reply to as many as I can. And before you go, subscribe and hit the bell. In my next video, I'll reveal why giving loyalty too soon makes women pull away. You don't want to miss it.